All right, painter contractors that are watching this, I have a question for you, and you just tell me if this is acceptable. All right, so I live in this apartment, been here for a while, and they had done plumbing work, so they made access walls across the apartment. And they had a contractor coming in, and the same painting contract patch up the walls where they had access holes on there. So they patched it up. All right. 2 weeks later, they had to make matching paint because they didn't have any more of this it's called passion paint. They didn't have any more paint any longer for that, so they had it made. So it took 2 weeks for them to finally get the paint, and they came in. Now, painter contractors, I'll show you what it looked like. Basically, they had a paint right here, and I've already put in my own little artwork back on there. But I want you to look at this and tell me, is this acceptable for patch repair on a ceiling, a popcorn ceiling? Now, that's not going to dry and you not still see this, all right? So I live in an apartment complex, and of course they hire, I think, the cheapest people that they can, contractors, but you get what you pay for. So is this acceptable? Like, shouldn't it be like there's nothing there? Like, okay, here's the other one. I'm gonna show you the other places that they did. Here's the third one. Let's go ahead and, all right. They did that job, and they painted the passion wall here, right? Okay. This is water damage from years ago, so don't ignore that. Here's the other access one going to the entrance of the bathroom. All right. I primarily have a question about the ceiling, the popcorn ceiling. Okay, they painted here, and then in the bathroom, they painted here. This is not them. This is them. All right, so this is the ceiling that they paint. There's two access walls here, one here and one here. They did an okay job there. And here's the other one, the last one that they just painted. My question is this all painter contractors like that? I mean, should it look like that nothing was ever cut out before? It's supposed to look like this. Okay, and so I've, for an apartment complex to hire people like that, whenever I move out, they're just going to have to fix this. No one's going to want to move in with holes that look like this in the wall. So, am I wrong that, you think that the property would have an inspector come with this, and this is a contractor, a painting contractor, right? So they don't work for the apartment. You would think that they would have somebody from the apartment come by and say, no. This is not acceptable. Or would it cost so much more labor to actually make it right that they would actually have to pay somebody a lot more money to actually make it look right, and that it's worth it for them to get a very cheap contractor just to do this and just to say it's done, and then when the new person comes in, then they will fix it, or maybe they won't. I don't know. But tell me if you think is this acceptable. All right, let me know.